Hey guys, in this video, I'll tell you about SuiteCRM. Alright, let's begin. First of all, if we talk about SuiteCRM, it is a robust, open-source CRM solution designed for businesses that need a cost-effective alternative to pricey CRM platforms like Salesforce. It offers a variety of essential features such as lead and opportunity management, workflow automation, email marketing, and detailed reporting, making it an all-in-one tool for managing customer relationships. Now, let us discuss who SuiteCRM is for. It is ideal for small to medium-sized businesses that require a high level of customization without breaking the bank. Its open-source nature allows extensive tailoring, enabling you to mold the CRM to fit your specific business needs. Additionally, SuiteCRM provides full control over your data, making it a great choice for companies with strict data privacy and compliance requirements. However, there are some downsides. For instance, the user interface, while functional, is quite outdated. This can result in a steeper learning curve for new users who are accustomed to more modern designs. Performance can also become an issue when dealing with large data sets or complex workflows, as the system may become sluggish under heavy use. Another important point to consider is that many of SuiteCRM's advanced functionalities require additional configuration or third-party plugins. This can add to the setup time and increase the overall complexity. Maintenance is another aspect to keep in mind. Since SuiteCRM is an open-source platform, you are responsible for managing updates and patches. In conclusion, SuiteCRM is a powerful, customizable CRM solution that offers excellent value for money, especially for businesses that need a flexible and affordable CRM. However, be prepared to invest time in setup, maintenance, and possibly some custom development. If you are ready for that, SuiteCRM could be the perfect choice for your business. So that's basically all about SuiteCRM. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.